In this video I'm going to just show you how to change the data source credentials. So you got to be inside of your file in Excel. You would go across and you click on the data part of the ribbon. You're going to go to get data and you're going to go to data source settings. Once you're on there, you'll have a list. In this example, it's going to be your SQL credentials. So you're going to click on the relevant data point. You're going to click or data source. You're going to click edit permissions. You generally want to encrypt connections and have it as privacy level organizational, and you're wanting to edit your credentials. On here, you need to find out from the person who's helping you with the data connection if you're not sure, but normally it's either database or Microsoft account for SQL, very seldom to never Windows, but database username and password, and then you would save your data and you hit OK and you hit close, and then you would refresh your data and you should be good to go.